And I try not to make negative videos, but I thought this could be a cool video, a cool product to kind of feature and showcase. But I mean, the quality control issues, I don't know. Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at home. We're having another unboxing of this product. It's made by WeatherTech and it's to shade the windows. Let's check this out. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below and give this video a nice like and thumbs up. Hey, thanks. And if you like, you can see my other videos on the LED headlight replacements and also the Predator tube steps install. But when this box first arrived, I thought, ooh, WeatherTech, but why is there a pair of pants? Well, I thought, okay, well, actually, it's a letter M. Actually, it's a W for WeatherTech. Took me for a sec there. So I don't know about you, but for me, I do a lot of adventures in my car. It's pretty much my mobile office. And every once in a while, if I'm camping or if I need to stay secluded somewhere and I want to cover up the windows completely, I thought, what should I get to make a full and complete coverage of the windshield and side windows? Well, that's where WeatherTech comes along and offers this custom fit window shades. Let's unbox this and check it out. And by the way, these are the BF Goodrich Trail Terrain TAs, which I highly suggest and recommend. Really great tires, and the great thing is that they offer the mud and snow ability, the traction for when that's required when you want to bypass chains. And this here is the optional storage bag. And as you can see, one side is very shiny metallic and the other side is flat black. The dark side. Welcome to the dark side. And down goes the old sunshade. Okay, it is a little bit gappy up in here, and because of the GoPro mount, it's a little awkward. Well, let's see what it looks like from the outside here. Well, as you can see, there is the crease in the middle there. Maybe I have to work with it a little bit more, but not exactly a tight fit there. Interesting. Okay, and this is the reverse, and it definitely doesn't work reverse because this portion is kind of off center now, and it definitely doesn't work with the black side out. Interesting, WeatherTech. Okay, first off, you're seeing what I'm seeing as I just unboxed it there, took it out for the first time and tried installing it. It's gappy. There's this big gap in the middle here that it definitely could have fit much better. I don't think they took into account the GoPro mount that comes factory from Toyota being there as well. Maybe that should have been a cutout up there. Yeah, I'm not too impressed here. It's not that well fitting. Interesting. Let's try the side windows. Let's see if they're, let's look and see if they're any better there. Okay, side windows much better. That's a great fit right there. nice and snug. Nearly all the light is blocked out. That is actually really good there. And of course, if you wanted to have the black side out, you would just reverse it. So put this driver's side onto the passenger side, and that should fit just fine. And let's see what it looks like from the outside here. Yep. And there you go. And since you're here, if you were wondering, this is what the passenger side looks when it's blacked out. Yep, same kind of fit. That's pretty good right there. Let's take a look from the outside here. Oh yeah, that's nice. But what's bothering me is that front windshield. That just doesn't really fly there. And what I had previously were these cheapy roll-up ones from Walmart. They did the job okay because I have a dog in the back here, but I'm gonna see if these custom fit ones fit a little bit better. So again, for this one, we have the reflective side, which is on the passenger side, and it's labeled passenger rear. But if you flip them to the reverse, you can make this the driver's side, which faces black outwards. Man, WeatherTech, you're killing me. What is this? It doesn't fit. Interesting. So I thought I'd do the same. I took the actual reflective side. I'm wondering if they sent me a different model or wrong model here, because that just, it doesn't fit. Dude, no, that's not cool. That doesn't work, man. That just does not work. I mean, I don't want to stereotype, but typically people that are going to buy this, they're pretty meticulous about their things. So for that to be kind of off cut like that and not tucked in to where it needs to, and it's just resting on the door sill like that and not actually in where it needs to be, I don't think that's very acceptable. Then as for the rear, looks like there's a rear shade as well. You can kind of slide into place, and that fits pretty well. Yeah, that fits pretty well for the most part. I mean, that's a little loose, but it serves the point of blocking that back window. And let's see what it looks like from the outside. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it blocks everything out. So my final thoughts on the WeatherTech sunshade. The front, no good. See that big gap right up in there? There's no way to really seal that up or make it tight fitting in there. The fronts, excellent, wonderful. The back, awesome as can be. These rear windows, nope. So to have half of it fitting well and half of it not fitting at all, in my suggestion, my opinion, maybe pass on this. It's not really worth almost $200 for this with tax and shipping and everything else, guys. Hey, so that about wraps up today's adventure stop here. And I try not to make negative videos, but I thought this could be a cool video, a cool product to kind of feature and showcase. But I mean, the quality control issues, I don't know. Not really worth it, guys. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next adventure. And although it doesn't fit quite snugly, definitely is dark in here.